Nonggelam ka National People's Party NPP, ubadeiru Menteri ka Sorkar Jela Rakkam sangma, ula kubur ba ka election look sabha ka bedang syudam, kadai ka bajwat bat mariatan, Henry ula penpau ya ka jingkermen ba ka NPP kan yo ya ka jingjob na po Shillong bat tura parliamentary seat. Habakran syakilat patai kubor ha ka arpulai terik yayong, Rakkam ulaong, kilahap jingiakhun ya ka election ka bajwat, bat kabamsyam lapoy perkhat hapo Garo Hills, bat kumjut na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency. Kani ka jwat ka jingiakhun, kalong namar baro ki nongkyrshan jong ka seng Trinamool Congress TMC, kilaay ka jingkershan ya ukurtong ka seng Congress, usaling sangma, ubadeiru UMLA ka gambegre, ha kabaya ka daw halor kani ki kamtib ha maki. Halor ka jingkershan ka BJP ya ka NPP, ulaong bakalalong penban kum ka nong penjat, bat ula ay nuksa baha ka MLA election ka baladam, ka BJP ka yo kandai po hajar vote na tura, bat jin ka jingkershan ya ka NPP, kani ka vote kandet siya ka NPP, Henry ngamtip la kani kan jane Habapha siya ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, na kalyang Rakkam ulaong, kat kiba job kum ki MP, uay ka jingkublay na kabanta jongki, Henry, upen pau ya ka jingkermen ba ka kertong jong ka NPP kanyo ya ka jingjob.
Interesting election we have experienced. Unexpected. We have had a very tough fight, unexpected tough fight in Garo Hills as well as in Syllad. So, but however, with a God's grace, we are expecting that with a very small margin, NPP looks like we will send back Madam to Delhi.
Why only small?
Look, all the TMC's voters has supported Congress candidate for the reason best known to them. I don't know why TMC has given up fight. So like this opposition parties voters, like especially TMC voters, went back to vote for Congress for the reason best known to them. So this was one of the reasons. But however, there's a multiple issue was there, and especially the main wrong, misleading propaganda using the religious sentiment is something that has been very seriously the matter of concern. So even the church has been carried out. Some people, but I don't think so. But however, there are some church people has been carried out with the propaganda being speak in the election time. But I don't think so. The sound doctrine church leaders, sound doctrine Christian believer will not go with that, with all these things happening, because they will go what the scripture says. That many misleading, misinformation propaganda has been carried out against certain parties, certain individual. So forgetting the sound doctrines the church should have. So this is something the matter of concern. The party has used that word only, but I don't know how far this. But suppose, for example, I don't know, BJP did not put up the candidate for Shillong and for Tura. Suppose in Tura, in last MLA election, BJP got 90,000 votes in the last MLA election. If they support, 90,000 voters should have gone to NPP. Would have been a blessing. But I don't know whether that will happen or not. So rather, BJP did not put up candidate for the best reason to them. NPP did not say they support. But BJP did not put up the candidate. Why? In the MLA election, Honorable Prime Minister came to Tura. Honorable Home Minister Amit Shah ji came to Tura. They campaigned for the candidate, but nothing happened. There is no impact. Knowing of all this, the BJP might have decided why we spend our resources, our time unnecessarily. Well, we're going to defeat them, but they haven't put up the candidate. But they said they have directed their cadre, their voters to vote for NPP. But I don't know whether they have voted or not. If BJP voters voted for NPP, we may be winning easily, but I don't know whether that is converted or not. But I don't know whether they have been supported in spirit, in letter and spirit or not. So, but however, the opposition took the advantage to mislead, to misinform, mispropaganda people about the things taking this. But this is something which is not correct, not a good sign in the future. Interesting. Whoever winning the MP, I wish my best wishes. So I don't know. Shillong is also very different type, but to me, Shillong is a prestigious seat, and Shillong might have known which party should send, which candidate should send to Delhi, because Meghalaya, we don't have resources. Whoever comes to whoever come to the power, whoever will be the MP, whether it's NPP, the BJP or UDP or BPP or any party, Meghalaya able to run the government with the mercy of the central government. We don't have any resources. So whoever will be the MP should be able to connect well with the central government to bring the development, to bring the to issues that we have, right? So I think this is the issue. I don't know, but the Shillong is we are keeping the finger crossed. But still, with the we are expecting. I wish NPP should win Shillong seat so that it will bring more development, more connection with the central government. But because there will be no better candidate, there will be no better party to connect with the central government than the NPP for Meghalaya.